Go, oh.
I can just yell it to you.
Yeah, yell.
Just real quick, yes or no, you're using drones today, and if so, do you have pilots? Do you vend it out or combination?
Drones.
Yes, we have drones. But right now we actually contract out when we need someone to use it, just because of the FAA Part 107 requirement. I just had to sit through with their insurance and lawyers like a couple of days ago to go through this whole thing. I won't elaborate on that.
It's the same answer, basically. In other regions, we have our own pilots, but locally, we have our own drones, but we contract out.
We have teaming agreements and partnerships with other companies who specialize in drones. So when we get a client, we provide certain services on the BIM side, and then we use our partner firm to provide the drone services.
Yes, yes, and yes.
Three. You said three. That's, I mean, a great segue to close this up. And I think that's the key too, is none of you guys really got there on your own. You know, you depended on experts, service providers, whether it's in the BIM space, in the scanning space, like somebody like a Michael Raphael with drones. Because a drone, they're easy to fly, but nobody cares about the raw data. They want to make sense of that, right? They want to see progress, or they want to see, they want to see some calculations or whatever. But that you have to learn that. And I think for any of the firms that are looking at the guys up here and hearing some of the comments from, arguably some of the other larger companies, everybody else can keep up, and you might just have to outsource. You hire somebody as a sub. It's just another trade. It's like hiring a plumber. I hire a drone company. I hire somebody to help me with the VR.